So, here are 10 fun facts about dolphins. Friendly swimmers. Dolphins are known for being very friendly and playful. They love to jump and play in the water, and sometimes they even swim alongside boats. Smart creatures. Dolphins are one of the smartest animals in the ocean. They can solve problems, play games, and even use tools. Talkative animals. Dolphins communicate with each other using a variety of sounds, including clicks, whistles, and squeaks. Each dolphin has its own unique whistle. Super speedy. Dolphins can swim really fast. Some dolphins can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. Living in pods. Dolphins live in groups called pods. These pods can have just a few dolphins or even hundreds of them. Amazing ears. Dolphins have excellent hearing. They can hear sounds underwater that are too high-pitched for humans to hear. Echolocation. Experts. Dolphins use echolocation, listening to echoes, to find their way around and hunt for food. They make clicking sounds and listen for the echoes that bounce back from objects. Jumping high. Dolphins can jump really high out of the water, sometimes as high as 15 feet. They love to show off their jumping skills. Sleepy swimmers. Dolphins sleep with one eye open. They shut down one half of their brain to rest, while the other half stays awake to help them breathe and stay safe. Loving moms. Dolphin mothers are very caring. They look after their babies, called calves, for a long time, teaching them how to find food and stay safe. Congratulations, little learners! See you again soon in another adventure episode. Join the fun Learn-a-thon with Mr. Egg, the master of giggleology.